Hi, America's Response students. I hope you're all hanging in there. I'm sure your first day off was kind of rough, but it's time to get back to work. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you again. And tomorrow, Tuesday, the 17th, St. Patrick's Day, so maybe there's a little celebrating, but we'll talk maybe a little more along those lines later. I'm going to host two Google Hangouts for our classes for Gold 2. Sorry, I'm consulting my notes here to make sure I tell you guys everything I need to. For Gold 2, I'm going to be online at 10 a.m. to 10:30. That's going to be our time to sit together and chat. And for Gold 3, it's 11:30 a.m. to noon. Those are your times to come and see me, to chat about what's going on. Some standards. Really think about this as just like showing up for class. So you're going to get online. I'll post a link to how to access the Google Hangout on our class streams. You can join in just by clicking it. That'll be up by tomorrow morning. It's just like going to class, as I said. So I've got my office here. If you check out my Instagram feed, Mr. Rabies Vaccination, I'm documenting everything I'm doing. You'll see my office is a mess. I'm trying to clean it up. I'm not going to be able to do a lot about the hole in the ceiling behind me. So that's another story for another time. But, for example, if you show up, don't show up, I don't know, in your bathroom. Make sure you pick an appropriate spot. Maybe not your bedroom either. Maybe find a public spot in your house. Sit down in the kitchen, the living room, somewhere where you don't mind sharing your background with everybody. But we'll also show you how to make sure that people can't see you on camera either if you don't want to be seen. But I hope that you folks show up. We're going to be doing assignments kind of on a weekly basis, a weekly goal for what I want you to get done. So this week, and again, these assignments will be going up at latest tomorrow. That's Tuesday morning. The assignments are going to be kind of on 3 threads. One is going to be continuing our content. So for us, that means continuing to talk about immigration and refugees. And to start this week, the assignments I've got for you on that are finishing up the immigration debate assignment, getting that wrapped up, and then responding to 5 prompts. A lot of you are already well into that. Some of you have turned some of that in already, but I want to make sure we wrap that up, and our goal date for that will be Friday. The second thread to this is following along with current events, and I got to check other screens here. I'm going to be posting little daily quizzes on National Public Radio's Up First podcast, because I know some of you really like listening to podcasts. It's a 10-minute podcast. There'll be 5 of them Monday through Friday, and they've even got one Saturday, so maybe I'll post Saturdays too, so there'll be 6. And all I'm asking is that you do the 5-question quiz after listening to this 10-minute podcast twice during the week. So you don't have to listen every day, just twice. That'll help keep you going on what's going on. So that's the second thread, keeping up with current events. The third one, hey, we're going to be historians during this break. I know for people my age, our big event was 9/11, and I can tell you all about exactly where I was and what that was like. We can go back in time. People older will talk about JFK's assassination. And for you guys, it might be this. We don't know. We're going to find out what happens. But I want you to keep a personal history of it. That Mr. Rabies Vaccination Instagram feed, which not enough of you are following. Come on, I'm putting a lot of work into this. I'm trying to be internet famous. Help me go viral. I want you to document what's going on. So the first step to that thread is simply going to be prove you're alive. I want to know you guys are okay. I know this is a tough situation. It may seem fun right now, but depending on how long it goes, it could get tough. I encourage you guys to listen to what officials are saying. Don't go out for St. Patrick's Day. I think Portland just put a curfew on to keep people out of the city. But stay home, do that social distancing. Hopefully our class hangouts are a chance for us just to get together. But I want you to prove that you are alive to me. That could mean, for example, sending me an email, maybe sending me some screenshots, maybe compile a little photo album of what you've done on social media, documenting what you've been up to the past few days. It could be coming to the Google Hangout at your time tomorrow morning. But I want to just hear from you guys. Get checked in, make sure everybody's right, make sure people are able to access things and they understand what's going on. So that's what I've got for you guys so far. I hope everybody's doing well. I miss you guys, and hopefully we'll be back together soon. Send questions my way. See you soon.